your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and press that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So thank you for tuning in for my 31 days of October Slay. So every day in the month of October, I am going to be dropping a video that's going to be surrounded by Halloween. So it will be a hair review or an easy DIY Halloween costume. So everything that I do is the first time that I do it on my channel. So don't judge your girl too much. It's all in fun. So today I am going to be doing a mime look, and I felt like it would be pretty cool, and especially if you are looking for something last minute. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, so I'm going to be starting off with a bare face. Now this is just a regular like white eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be using to mark the white part of my face. So I kind of wanted to go for a heart shape instead of like a regular outline of the actual shape of my face. So you can take like a white makeup brush or eyeshadow, whatever it is, just to help you create that outline so you can stay within the lines. So this is just a regular dish sponge that I just cut up into pieces, and I dipped it in my Snazaroo white face paint. Sorry about the light, it was a bit bright because I did record this late at night. So I'm just going to be putting this all over my face, and I just wanted to speed this up for you because there was really no process of how I pounded it on my face. So now I am taking like a foundation brush, and that way I can really get in close to the corners without going outside of the lines, and I'm just trying to smear out the blotchiness on my face. So now I am taking my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Ghost, and I'm just putting that all over my face just so I can set it. So now I'm just taking just an angle paintbrush. I don't recall the name of these paintbrushes. I just use what I got, and I don't like really go by any conventional rules. I just utilize everything I have around my house. So right now I'm using my shape of my eyebrows to actually contour the painted eyebrows I'm about to put on. So as I am doing that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the other side. You already know how this eyebrow game goes. There you go. Now don't get on me because they don't look even. It's kind of hard, y'all. So now I'm taking my Revolution 24 eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going in with like a black eyeshadow and a dark dry brown, and I'm mixing that together, and I'm going to be starting off with the outer of my eyelids. Now I'm no pro, I'll put it on makeup, so I use any kind of brush that I can use to apply my makeup. Maybe one day I'll learn, but so far this is how I do things. So now I'm taking my other Revolutions Cosmetics blush kit, and I'm just going in with like this peachy red, and I'm just putting that on my eyes as well. Now because I am putting it on white, it appeared a little bit more red, more than what I wanted to go for, but I just went with it. So you don't have to actually use these colors. You can actually use any colors that you want. This is what I opted to go with. So now I'm going to be going on the inside of my inner eyes with a shimmery pink. So I wanted to give it like an ombre kind of effect, shadowy, but because of it's on top of white and because of its makeup, it didn't give me the look that I was going for, but I feel like it still turned out pretty nice. So now I'm taking this same color that I used on my eyelids, and I'm creating the blush on my cheeks. Now I really wanted to go for like more of a rosy pink kind of look, but the colors just wasn't coming out the way how I wanted it, but I just went with it, and sometimes you just have to go with the flow. So I'm not putting any kind of motion, but I do go up on my cheeks when I do the blushing, just to pull my cheeks up a little bit more. And now I'm going in with my CoverGirl. This is my everyday blush that I use. It's in the color Cheekers, and yeah, it's very pretty, and it's like a kind of a pink, but it still didn't show up. So I'm just using any blush that I have at this moment, so you can use any blush that you have. So now the look is starting to come together. So now I'm just taking my LA Colors like dark brown eyeliner, and I'm going against my waterline just because it does, like, the paint was cracking around my eyes, so I kind of wanted to cover the truth and give my eyes more depth. Now I'm going in with my Ebony New York 24-hour liquid liner. I really love these like liquid eyeliner pens because it's able for me to control my cat eye a little bit more. So these are like some regular eyelashes that I have laying around that are extremely huge. I got these from 21 Eyeshadows. I think that's what the name of it is, but yeah. Just take any eyelashes that you may have. And I struggle with putting on lashes. That's why I ain't want y'all to see the struggle. So now I'm just taking, as you can see, it's already coming off. Yeah, but that's okay. I'm not perfect. But I did go off camera and I did fix it, as you can see, because the actual eyelash completely came off. So far, the look is coming together a lot better than what I expected. So now I'm like, okay, what else do I want to do? So I'm just taking that exact same paintbrush that I used for my eyebrows, and I wanted to create these upside down triangles underneath my eyes. I like to challenge myself because if I mess up, I just have to rock with it. I don't start over. So now I'm going to do the other thing to the side, and I turn my paintbrush to the other side and dip it in black paint to give me that perfect dot. So now I'm just going to create a smaller triangle above my eyebrow, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to outline the heart shape, that way it could be more prominent in the pictures. And that's all I'm going to do. You know, really, that's it. This is how it looks. It feels like it's all coming together, but something is missing. A nice red lippy. So instead of me going in with a lipstick, I decided to take my red Snazzy face paint. And I'm just going to outline a smaller lip in the middle of my natural outline of my lips. And now I'm taking this cherry like lip gloss from LA Colors. I didn't see the color on the back, but I wanted to give it more of a shine. Alright y'all, so this is the finished makeup slash face paint look. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down, and I'm going to change into my DIY Halloween costume. So just take a look at this. I'm surprised myself. I'm glad that it came out looking halfway decent. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and get changed, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. I'm going to be showing you like the full outfit and where I got everything from, but hopefully you enjoyed this DIY mime tutorial. I was like really excited because, like I say, this is my first time doing things like on camera, so what you see is what you get. And I'm gonna say I really like this. So let me know if you copy this look, hashtag me, tag me, do whatever. This was really fun and very easy to do. So if you like this and you want to continue to watch more, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link, and make sure you stay tuned the next day to check out my next Halloween slay. Until then, stay positive and stay beautiful. Pieces you will need for the Ooh La La costume is a beret, red suspenders, white striped shirt, red scarf, white gloves, and red shoes.